In this video, I'll be showing you how to change LinkedIn profile URL link. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on anything you're using, but you gotta be on a web browser to do this. So I'm gonna go over to LinkedIn. Of course, just make sure you're signed into the right account. Now, once you go ahead and do that, on the left, you're gonna see your profile, but also you're gonna see me on the top right, where you can click view profile here as well. So on either of them, all you want to do is just open up your profile link. So mine is right here. This is going to show your profile and everything. And now all you want to go ahead and do is on the top right, you're going to see public profile and URL, which shows your LinkedIn URL. All you want to go ahead and do is press this pencil icon like so. And then it's going to show different things, but it's going to say edit your custom URL. So all I want to do is hit this pencil icon, and then I can edit the custom URL. It says your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters. So all you want to do is just, put it to whatever you want. And then once you're happy with it, all you got to do is click save. And now it's updated. So now people can just search me easier without a bunch of just random stuff on it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.